Welcome students. Today I'm going to discuss about the cout, cin and endl in C++ programming. First see iostream header file. In every C++ program we start from iostream. Iostream means input output stream. Input output stream is used as a header file in every C++ program. It is used to define the cout and cin objects, which is defined in iostream and ostream class, which is known as a standard output stream. Cout is known as a standard output stream and cin is known as a standard input stream. Cout a standard output stream, cin a standard input stream. This is defined in iostream header file. Iostream is made of two classes, ostream class and istream class. Ostream class means output stream class and istream class means input stream class. In ostream class, cout is defined, the object cout is defined, and in istream class, object cin is defined. Cout is used to print the message in a standard output device and cin is used to accept the value from the standard input device. A standard input device means keyboard and a standard output device means display screen, either it will be the monitor or any display screen. Now let's see about the OStream class. OStream class, output stream class. Inside this OStream class, cout is predefined object is there. It is connected with a standard output device. A standard output device means monitor. Cout is used with stream insertion operator. You don't forget this. So how we use cout? Cout and with this sign. So cout is the object and this sign is called stream insertion operator, which is used to display the output. Next is istream class, input stream class. Cin is predefined object of istream class. This cin object is defined in istream class. It is connected with a standard input device, which is usually a keyboard. Means this cin is connected with keyboard. So whatever the text or character we will enter from the keyboard, cin will accept that character and will store in a particular variable. Cin always with use with this extraction operator, okay, like this c in and this extraction operator. It indicates that you want to accept any particular values from the user. Okay, so it read the input from the console. So whatever the console, whatever the values you will enter, so cin will accept that value. How it work? Let me show you through the example. So open first Turbo C++. Now go to File, New, no name.cpp. So just you save it, save and give the name here demo.cpp. Now I will start writing from the header file. So has include iostream. Just now I have explained about that iostream.h, and in the previous video I have explained about the conio.h. So include conio.h console input output, angular bracket will be there, then void main. We can use here, suppose you have to accept your name and you have to print that. Okay, so what you will write, cout. See, cout is the object of ostring class, and this is the insertion uh, operator, stream insertion operator, where I will print any message. Suppose I want to print enter your name. Okay, and now through the cin, see extraction operator, cin is defined in istream, and this is the extraction operator, and I will take here. Before that I have to declare a variable here. I will explain later about the variable. Char name 20, or any size you can give. I will accept name. Okay, and cout your name is name. See, get ch, hold on the output script, compile it, run it. Enter your name. I have entered Manobal. See, your name is Manobal. So how we can do this type of task? By using cout and cin. Cin is used to accept the value, and cout is used to print the message in a standard output device like monitor and other standard output device. And this is used to accept the value. Cin is used to accept the value. This one is used to accept the values, and this one is used to display the message. Okay, or display the output or text message. So this is the example of cout and cin. Now I will explain about the a standard end line. What is the use of endl? What is the use of this? So endl is a predefined object of ostream class. Okay, endl is also defined in ostream class, and it is used to insert a new line in characters. So in output, if you have to take a new line, then what you will use? You have to use the endl. How you will use endl? Let's see through the example. Use clr scr to clear the previous output, and suppose I have to print welcome to some class school. Okay, and here I will write up to here welcome to, and then semicolon, and again I will write here cout welcome to Sant Class School. Now I want these two things in different lines. So suppose two also I want in different line. Cout welcome to Sant Class School. Now if you will see this, And if you will see the output, then first you see the output, then after I will tell something about that. Compile it. Success. Run it. See, again it's coming in the same line. Welcome to St. Clair's School. But I need in different line. I have done in different line. So what you have to use here? You have to use endl. Endl. Okay. In each line you have to use endl. 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 Okay. Now you see the output. See, welcome to St. Clair's School is coming in different line. So what is the use of endl? Endl is used to print the output in different line. Okay, students. So keep watching and keep subscribing the channel.